Nowadays, everyone's got an e-bike. We know what an e-bike is. It's a bike when you pedal and then the motors boost your efforts. But mate, wheelchairs have been doing that for years. There are wheelchairs that have motors embedded into the wheels. And so every time you push, it will amplify that push, making it easier to move. And this puts a significant reduction on the stress on our shoulder joints. And it's a great option for clients because not only does it give you assistance in the forward direction, but also backwards. And it can make you feel like Superman or woman. And depending on the model of the wheelchair, it can also give you assistance downhill. Now the extender does that by giving you resistance as you go down the hill. So the wheels sort of grab you as you go down. And the Alba eMotion, which is another popular product, will do that through cruise control. So cruise control is essentially you push the device, it will say it's cruising you at 3 kilometers an hour. And as you get downhill, it will notice that you're going faster than 3 Ks and slow you down. And these devices are quite programmable, so you can change the amount of tension in the spring. So if someone can't push that hard, you can change how much boost it gives you. So if you want it to boost you just a little bit, or if you want it to send you all the way to the other side of town, it's all doable. It can even account for upper limb discrepancies. So if you've got one arm that's weaker than the other and you want it to push straight, then you can give more power to this wheel than that wheel to make it easier. I mentioned cruise control earlier. So cruise control is basically you push it once and it will just keep cruising that speed for as long as you want. And you can still turn. So you can grab one wheel and it will turn, you can grab the other wheel and it will turn, and you stop by essentially grabbing both wheels. And the Alba eMotion also has the ability to have rollback delay. So what that means is if you're pushing up a hill and you need time to sort of shake out your hands or maybe wave to a friend, the chair won't actually roll back. It will hold the position for about 5 seconds and then you'll re-engage. So now we have a product that has cruise control that can give you assistance uphill and downhill and assistance in all directions. Why wouldn't we just use this one all the time? Well, they're a little heavy and a bit awkward to take on and off. Unlike something like a smart drive, which you just go around the back and lift it off, this requires a bit more effort. If you've ever got to tilt the wheelchair and get one hand to pull it out and slide it out and line up the pins again and do it again, which is quite troubling. The Alba eMotion actually has these anti-tip jack-up wheels, which allow you to lift the chair and then use 2 hands to slide it in and out, which is quite easy. So that's it. It's a pretty cool device. It works very similar to a smart drive where you can just push and it will coast whatever speed you want. It will give you assistance downhill, but it's a bit more awkward to take on and off. So it doesn't really facilitate independent use if that's the goal of the client. But a great product.